Alright, look at this. These are eggs that I am peeling from Easter. These are the ones that did not get colored. Look at this. Raise your hand if you're the perfect egg peeler. You know, my mom and I had a conversation the other day. She said that she thought boiled eggs was easier to peel when they're cold. I said, no, I think they're easier to peel when they're warm. So, these have been in the refrigerator. So tell me what you think. What's your opinion? Are the eggs easier to peel when they're warm or when they're cold? I would say when they're warm. That's some crazy stuff. Alright, just for giggles, just for laughs, whatever, I decided to test my mother's hypothesis on the egg thing. These are a dozen eggs, like I told you, that I was peeling to make egg salad. These are some of my first eggs that I was peeling. Oh, dang, there's still a piece of eggshell on top of it. But these are some of the ones that I was peeling while they were cold because they have been in the refrigerator. Look at that poor thing. Look. So, Mom says that they're easier to peel when they're cold. And then I thought, well, I'm going to run some warm water over. Oh my gosh, no wonder they complain about getting egg pieces in their eggshell in their egg salad. And these are the ones I ran under warm water as I was peeling them. And look at that. So much better. That makes me wonder, has my mother been lying to me all of my life? Isn't that crazy? She's been lying to me all my life. Look at that. Beautifully peeled egg. And for those of you who don't know, and you know, I'm not trying to make anybody feel, you know, beyond, you know, not. What I'm saying is, if you don't know if you're peeling eggs and people tell you that, you know, as long as you get the membrane, it comes off of there easier, and it does. This is part of the membrane. There's like a little membrane around the egg that protects it, and also keeps it from getting the shell off perfectly. But yeah, there it is. I tested it, and you know what? I'm gonna get in my car and I'm gonna head right over to my mother's house, and I'm gonna let her know. Your eggs have to be warm for them to peel better. What you think about that? Oh. Daisy May, stop it. Alright guys, we're going to do a quick grocery store haul. I just got back from the store. Somebody's got the butt kicked. Got a Dawn dishwashing liquid. Dish soap. Gotta have dish soap. I got a bag of onions. Just a small bag. That's a big bag. I got some chopped ham because Olivia's wanting to start packing her lunch for school now that school's about over with. I got some bologna because y'all know I'm all about some bologna. Got some thick cut New York strip steaks. I'm making that for Olivia today because tonight is pizza night. And she's not a big fan of pizza because I guess my husband thinks he has to have pizza every Thursday, which that's okay. If that's what he looks forward to, my God, when you get our age, you gotta have something to look forward to, right? So he's having pizza. I'm having pizza because I don't get pizza that often because, you know, night shift, whatever. I also bought some tortillas. I bought the bigger ones because Olivia likes to just put them in the microwave with cheese on them, the Mexican cheese. I bought some little tortillas because I am going to make some fish tacos tomorrow. I asked them what they wanted for dinner, and they want chipotle lime fish tacos. They're not even easy to deal with. But I bought this at our local grocery store. Does not have, you know, the fresh fish, and I hope that I haven't made a mistake buying that. I've never bought that before. Let me know if you've bought this. It's cod fillets, and they actually don't look too bad. I think they're like flash frozen, but you know, they should be good. I hope they're going to be good for my fish tacos. I hope so. But I'm going to do like a chipotle lime sauce to go over it. And I bought some stuff to make like some tangy not cottage cheese. I swear to my goodness, I forget things. Coleslaw to go with it. Got some grapes. Grapes are so expensive, I tell you. Got me some crema. Gotta have some crema for my coffee. And Olivia likes this fruit punch Minute Maid. You've seen me buy that before. I bought her some of that. And along with her steak, I'm going to make her what my mom called back in the days wilted lettuce and onions. And I have a recipe for that here on my channel, and it is so good. Green onions, of course. Some cilantro for my fish tacos. My battery's dying. Some leaf lettuce. I'm not shredding my cabbage today, so I bought coleslaw mix. We better hurry. Some tomatoes, some lime, some bread, and we like this stuff. We like to just binge eat this. It's pumpernickel bread. It's so good. They sell it at our grocery store, and a gallon of milk. So I guess my camera is dying here. I'm going to charge it, so I can't really show you what I got at the dollar store. Alright, I was able to charge my battery a little bit. I want to show you these. I don't think I have a whole lot of battery left. But charged a little bit to get through this video. I want to show you these bowls that I got at the dollar store. Are these not super cute? I got 3 of them. Look at that. I love stuff like this. 60 cents. Can you see that? 60 cents for these bowls. I just think they're adorable. They're a little small, but you know, they're perfect for chili or soup or, you know, anything like that. I love stuff like that. I am getting over something that has been really ugly. You know what I got? Went to the grocery store, so I had to stop and get me. I have an excuse. I cannot take my antibiotics on an empty stomach, so I had to get me some McDonald's. Just because. And I asked for some salt and pepper, and I want you to look at all the salt and pepper they gave me. They gave me a handful of it. Look at this. All that salt and pepper they gave me. But I got me some biscuits and gravy. It's not my biscuits and gravy, but it's something that I wanted. I'm hungry this morning. And I'm not going to cook anything tonight because, like I said, it's pizza night. I'm making Olivia a steak. Look at that. That salt don't even have salt in it. So I guess they gave me all pepper. My bad. I'm a little salty this morning. But I haven't been feeling good, but I am on antibiotics now. So, thank God. It's starting to feel a little bit better. Put some pepper on that. You guys want to see? Want to see what I got? Look at this. Look at them biscuits and gravy. It's not my biscuits and gravy, but hey, I'm hungry and I wanted it, so. Alright, on my last video, I done a little contest, and it appears that Teresa Bowman is the winner of that, in the Kitchen with Sandy Signature Blend Seasoning. Because remember I said, if you can tell me, you know, what famous movie that line was from that I used, you know, what baby wants, baby gets, or whatever, let me know within a time frame. And the first person who answered was Teresa Bowman. So honey, Teresa, send me your address, and you can do it to you can email it to me, or you can go to, you know what would be the best thing to do is to go to my Facebook fan page, In the Kitchen with Sandy. It's not the cooking group. If you have to ask to join the cooking group, then that is not the right one, because I am deleting that. I started that. Sorry, I had to sneak a bite in. I started that a few years ago. I don't really have a lot of time for it. Not many people were I'm posting in there. It was for other people to post their recipes and stuff too, and there was not a lot of participation. And you know, I'm on Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, Google Plus when they had it, and you know, I'm all over social media. So I'm not going to do that, the group one. So do not try to join that group. If you try to join that group, then I'm just deleting everybody out of it. There's not a whole lot of people in there that I haven't deleted yet. But I do have a Facebook fan page, In the Kitchen with Sandy. Look for it. And make sure you follow me on there. I do a lot of my postings on there. And I like to talk to you guys on there. But Teresa, get me your address. Get your address sent to me. You can go to that Facebook fan page and private message me it. Do it soon because I'm off work tomorrow as well. Today is Thursday. I don't know if I'll get this vlog uploaded tonight or not. I hope so. But anyway, get your address to me so I can get you that seasoning. And you're gonna love it. I think I put too much salt on this. Lord have mercy. Salty. Good though. But tomorrow, I'm making fish tacos. That's what they want, so like I said, that's what they get. I told my husband, I said, you're deciding what we want for dinner tomorrow. And this time he didn't pull that. I decide all the time, because he never decides. So that's what he's getting tomorrow. That's what they're both getting. That's what we're all getting. So, the topic of on the news lately has been, let me find her. Let me find out who this is. So this is lawmaker, obviously. Let me find out what her name is. Maureen Walsh. So apparently she made a comment that us nurses spend a lot of our time playing cards. I cannot even tell you, I'll not even talk, how outraged I was about this, Maureen Walsh. This is terrible. It's terrible, terrible, terrible. I cannot even believe that someone would make a comment like that. You know, our profession is a very dignified, high respectable profession, because, you know, we can do a lot of things with our hands, and saving your life is one of them. So I really did not appreciate that comment, because none of us have time to play cards, and it would be great if we did. But that was a very disrespectful comment. And you know, we don't play cards. We're busy saving lives. We're holding hands of the frail and the sick. We're taking care of the people who cannot care for themselves. You know, we're wiping bottoms when the people can't wipe their own bottoms. You know, we're sitting bedside with these people that are ill, critically ill. You know, we're crying with these people. We're crying with their families. We're supporting these families. We do so much, so much. We have a very dignified responsibility. And, you know, we're compassionate. And we do things that a lot of people cannot do. Like I said, you know, we're capable of saving your life. And that is not, it's not okay what she said. We don't just sit back and, you know, eat donuts and play cards. That's just not how it happens. And I'm just very disgusted in that, her opinion. So there's some pretty cute t-shirts floating around on the internet. I'd love to have one. But I'm just really disgusted in that, you know? Who are you to say something like that? We are the backbone of any hospital, nursing home, any type of care facility. You know, we are the first ones up front that are going to care for you. It's just, I have no words. I'm just flabbergasted that somebody could make such an idiot comment. And that is an idiot comment. So I just really hope nothing happens to her, to where she's going to need nursing care, because she's older. So eventually she's going to need somebody to take care of her. And hopefully, you know, that nurse won't be somewhere playing cards and can take care of her. So, Maureen Walsh, from me and all the other nurses worldwide, you can kiss our card playing butts. Very disrespectful. You're a joke. You are a joke. She's a joke. Look at me. I'm sitting here talking to the camera like I'm talking to her right now. But she can just go back to her desk job while the rest of us, you know, continue on saving lives. I'm very disgusted in her. Very disgusted. Shame on you. No words. I could say a lot more, but I'm not. I gotta finish these biscuits and gravy. Because believe it or not, I'm gonna need a nap soon. I got up early. And where I work nights, I get tired during the day. My body tells me it's time to sleep, and I sleep. And by the way, that lasagna I made the other day, it was amazing. If you've not used the Ready Bake noodles that you don't have to boil, that was the first time I had ever used them. And let me tell you something, that takes a lot of time out of making the lasagna, and they turned out perfect, absolutely perfect. They were nice and soft and tender, and I was really impressed. Excuse me. I was really impressed with those noodles, and that lasagna was off the chain, I'm telling you. I'm going to get off here and finish my breakfast. Again, Teresa Bowman, I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. Make sure you get your address to me somehow. Get it to me somehow. You know I love you guys so very much. Hey, don't forget about the giveaway. May 3rd is the deadline. We're going to do an Amazon giveaway. Make sure you are liking, sharing, and subscribing to my videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's what you have to do to be able to be qualified for the giveaway. You have to be subscribed. You know I love reading all your guys' comments so much. Go to In the Kitchen with Sandy, my Facebook fan page. I would love to see you there. Make sure you follow me. I'm on Pinterest, you know. My recipes are on Pinterest. Gotta get some recipes out for you here soon. I haven't done any in a while. I get so busy vlogging. But I'm going to share with you my chipotle lime fish tacos and something else. When Brandon, excuse me, my son was home over the weekend, he gets these HelloFresh, or I don't think it's HelloFresh. I'll have to look and see what it is. I don't remember the name of it. It's where they deliver the meals and you prep them. Well, he brought me one. So we're going to do a review on that. I might do that a little bit later on today. Or maybe tomorrow. Well, I'm going to do it, but I'm going to do a review of that. Anyway, I'm going to get off here and eat. You know I love you guys so very much. And be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And again, I love you. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.